Hi everyone, today we are going to introduce our Nova 14 laser engraving cutting system. Well, Nova 14 is a professional laser cutting machine, especially for industrial applications like acrylic profiles, woodcrafts and apparels. The black and white colors combination makes the whole laser look really modern and have a nice quality sense. Basing upon the human engineering, the Nova 14's height is also very friendly for users. I don't have to bend my body too much or standing on my toes to operate the keyboard. Unlike other Chinese lasers using acrylic, AEON has an integral formed PC lid, which is fireproof. Our Nova series lasers all has a detachable design, which means you could break the laser into several parts and makes it easier to pass through narrow doorways. Nova 14 adopts a customized reader controller, with which the Nova 14 is perfectly compatible with the Lightburn software, and AEON is a partner of the Lightburn software, and we are selling the Lightburn keywords at a reasonable price. You could buy the Lightburn software from us directly. Now let's open the lid and take a look inside the workspace. Same as our Mirror series, Nova 14 also has these splendid LED lights illuminating the workspace. And the Nova 14's guide rail is also well packed inside, and this reduces maintenance immensely. So those contaminants produced by laser is perfectly isolated from these motion parts. This allows users to run the laser for longer time without failures. Nova series could deliver an engraving speed up to 800 mm per second in 2G accelerations. Its cutting speed is also better than those normal Chinese lasers. And this autofocus device is a standard configuration for Nova 14. And our Nova 14 has two standard work tables. The honeycomb table would be very useful when you cut soft materials such as cloth and fabrics, while the blade table is always used for acrylics, fiberboards, and other advertising boards. Our Nova 14 provides a 200 mm height clearance for Z-axis. That means you could cut even thicker materials compared with our Mirror series. Nova 14 laser machine has the Wi-Fi available, so customers could connect the laser wirelessly to a PC or a smartphone. And our rotary attachment interface is right here. We could remove this side panel and inspect or align the beam path conveniently. And here we have a 100 watts laser power supply. On the other side, we have built the RD controller motherboard and the XYZ drivers. And these are the 20 volts DC power supply. And you can see that the wiring connection looks really tidy. And we have marked these labels on these wires. So it will be very convenient when you do repairing or some maintenance jobs. And we have also applied a solenoid valve design to enable and disable the air assist function. That means the air assist will only work when there's beam out. On the back of Nova 14, we have a pass-through design, so customers could easily fit long materials into the workspace. Our Nova 14 also has applied two ventilation systems for film extraction, and this one is for sucking the films from upside, and this one is from downside. So customers could exhaust all those unnecessary contaminants at a maximum grade. This Nova 14 machine uses a RESI 100 watts laser tube. It writes the peak power is 117.5 watts. And you can also put a RESI 130 watts and RESI 150 watts into this laser. We have applied a same beam combiner for Nova 14, with which customers could figure out the actual beam path easier while doing alignment. So if you are looking for a quality laser at an affordable price, this Nova 14 will not disappoint you.